Hello, just a quick little demo. What I've been working on last couple days. I've been working on the combat and trying to figure out how this is going to work in my text adventure game. First things first, we're going to go into God mode. Okay, so what happens is it'll pop up this little menu right here, this um, UI. Not pretty or anything yet, just trying to get the functionality down. I'm all about functionality rather than looks. Um, right now, I just list off the hero's name, their amount of health, and their mana, and then it generates an enemy. It generates the enemy's name, and their health is currently set. Everybody that I generate is 50 health right now. Um, and it also gives the enemy a type. A wolf is a non-magical beast in this case. It has two abilities: venomous strike and venomous strike. This part I still have to work on. The generation of the abilities because it's just iterating it over through an array and randomly picking some, so it can pick the same one twice or three or twice in this case. So you can do a couple things. You can choose to run away. You can type out run or run away or escape or something like that, and it'll give if there's a chance that you make it out. I kind of took inspiration from that from Pokemon. You can try to run, and then sometimes you just can't escape. There's a chance you can. There's a chance you cannot. Otherwise, you can just choose to fight. So if you type out the word fight, you then get to use one of your abilities. We're going to go ahead and use ability number 2. You can type out the name too, but since my names for my God mode abilities are literally just God mode ability 1, 2, and 3, I'm just going to use the numbers 1, 2, and 3. So you can see that this refreshed here. The wolf's health is now has gone from 50 to 37 because it took the damage from the ability that the hero's doing here. Um, and also my mana is now down by 20 because it costs 20 mana to use that ability. So it's my turn again. I have it set to where there's a 50-50 chance to whoever goes next. It just depends. The user can go 30 times in a row. The wolf can go 100 times in a row, or it can go, user, user, wolf, 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 user, 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 or just, it could be in anything like that. So I like that idea. For now at least. So what we're gonna do ahead now is we're gonna fight again. We're gonna go ahead and just kill this guy. Um, so now he's dead. The combat UI is gone. I have defeated Wolf. I've gained 120 XP. Um, Current XP is now 220. The reason it's 220 is because I set it to be 100 by default when I go into God mode. Um, Max level. Now this won't show every time. I'm just using this to debug. But max XP at current level, which is 10, is 250. So once I reach 250, I should reach a level 11. So let's go ahead and run our tester function, command rather, and it shall start up another fight. Oh, sorry, not slash test, it's just test. So you can see the enemy went. Now my health is 980. For some reason my mana is not resetting, which is unfortunate, but that's okay. So we can one hit kill this guy. But again, we can just have our strong ability, which is we click and fight. My strongest ability that I said is does 60 damage, and no matter what, the enemy's health will be 50. So my one using ability 1 will always one hit kill. So they're dead. So now you can see we gain another 120 HP or XP. That means our current XP is now 340, which is above or greater than 250, which is the max at that level. We have now leveled up, so now we're level 11, and now our new max XP at this level is now 275. It went up by 25 points. So if we go ahead into our info command, you can see we're now a level 11. Current XP gets reset to 0 because we just leveled up, and our new max at this level is 275. So I'm curious. Okay, and our mana did get reset, so I'm gonna run a couple more of these, but that's the main thing. So let's try to get to level 12. It's the enemy's turn. We're just gonna try to run through this. I'm gonna go just one hit kill every time. Um, So we're also testing how much XP these guys give me at my level. I have it set to where it increments. I believe if I get over level 13, which I won't show off, but it'll give me more XP per kill. Um, but that's where we're at with it. So we get that. We're gonna go ahead and do test again. Start up another battle. The enemy did some damage to me, and my health is not resetting, by the way, because I want to add in potions eventually. Like right now, your health. The only reason the mana is resetting is because I'm testing out these abilities. Fight. Use ability 1. We're gonna knock this guy out too. And we are one more fight away from leveling up, so let's go ahead and do another battle. Now you can kind of see also the damage that this guy is going to do. I have a modifier based off of my level. The damage that they do increases. So this ability does 60 right now. It's crazy. For example, I can skip turns. Let's see how much. Let's just see it in action. Oh, so it's my turn again. Now it's their turn, and they hit me for 32 damage, and it's 60 damage, and it's still their turn. They just took me down by like 200 HP. So the numbers are very extreme right now. Eventually, like I want to change it all to be like starting off very low, but you know the stronger you get, the stronger the enemies get. So we're gonna knock this guy out. Ability 1. Now we've leveled up. Our new max, we're at level 12. Our new max H or XP is at 300, so it's gone up another 25. And there we go. So that's kind of how it's going. Just higher you get, the more XP you need. I think I might change it to where the higher it gets to like, you know, 30 and 40, 50, 60 in increments. But yeah, that's it. This has gone on a little bit longer than I wanted it to, but that's the combat system thus far. Thanks.